Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our next tutorial on core Java. So in this tutorial, we will concentrate on some examples of method and variables. So how that is happen? So for that, first here what I am doing here is I am creating one new project. So that is a Java project. So Java project, the name called as a method example. So method example. So just I am click finish that. So I created a project method example. So now in this I am creating one new class. So that is a public class. So it includes void main. So that name called as method example. So we are seeing that method example. So I am creating that method example. So method example. Click. So void main is created here now. So what I will do here is here in within this I am adding one method, user defined method. That user defined method called addition add equal to new addition. Just I have declared that method my user defined. So now what I will do is add dot add. So just I am putting this addition. So because this both can match, so just I'll put this as like this addition. So now what I'll do is with this name I can declare here. So outside of this what I'll do is class. So class addition. I'm adding that class here. So I added that class here. Now class addition. So then what I'll do here, so sorry, here we forgot this. So now here what we will do is here we'll add one void. So I'm adding one functionality called add. So that is one more method here. So within that method I'm calling in this method. So here I'll define as int a equal to 10. Again int b equal to int b equal to 30 and int c equal to a plus b. So now I want to define system dot out dot println system dot out dot println so println here I want to print value as c. So this is I'm defining here, maybe here some spelling mistake. So I'm adding this value here. This error it's showing here. New addition string argument public static method addition examples. So here why this error is showing? This arguments are needed. If not, how this can be defined the values? So here Yeah, this we should define this main method also. Okay, that's a problem. Yeah. So now we can run this program. We'll see this output. Let's see. So in console, see it's a 40. So value we got the 40. So this is the way. So how we are defining one method here in this, and how we are calling that method here, we are defining like this. So this is the one example how we are calling this method. So here first from the main we are calling this simply no value, but from there we are calling that is a different value from here this. So this is one example of this, and also we'll see here this value is nothing but here it is with return example. So this value so what we did is now without return type and without parameters. So what is this? So now what we will do means this example, what we see in this example is now this is without return and without parameters, this example has. So now what we will do is here we'll see this similar example in the same project. What we will do is, so we'll do now without return type and with parameters. So what is the difference between that? We'll see now. See, without this, with this. So what I'll do is first just simply for same example program, let me copy this entire and let me comment this, and here I can paste entire here. So there are with some small modifications we can check this program here. See here what I'll do is almost similar that is with some return types. So right now the return types what I'll do is addition is okay, string parameter here it is add, so that is a plus b. Okay, here what I'll do is I given some values and I'll give this as here some parameters. I am giving the return parameters as a comma b. So I want these parameters as a back of this. So a comma b. So then what I'll do is here now c plus a, then print c. So then that time here we need to pass parameters. So that is what parameters we are passing from int a comma int b. So this parameters we are passing as a return values. So now that time here no need to define this integer value, no need to define this integer value. So here got some issue here. Okay, so what, okay, wait a minute. So instead of here these parameters we can define in main method. Here we are passing here parameters, here we are passing parameters. See, now I am running this program, we'll get the same output here. See, (31) line exception. What is that exception? 31 line. So that parameters need to define after this method. Okay, still we have an compilation problem. Method main 31 unresolved. Oh, sorry, here P is missing. That's now it will come. See, now it's got 40. So this is the way. So two examples we discussed here. One is without return type, without parameters. Second one is without return type and with parameters. So like this, some other examples we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to